Hey guys, it's Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha here to bring you some other opportunities that you can do from home, okay? So today we're focusing on nurses, anyone in the healthcare industry. There's opportunities for you to work from home. I'm going to just share with you a few um, job boards or companies who hire work from home nurses or work from home healthcare industry people, those with skill sets that fit anything that has to do with healthcare, whether it's case manager, nurses, or HR, sales. Even I've seen some sales, remote sales positions for healthcare. So I want to just share with you a couple of companies or job boards you can go to find these remote work from home healthcare nursing positions. Okay, so let me just jump right into it. You guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook, but make sure you also subscribe to this channel. I appreciate all my subscribers. I'm here to help at this time of need. Those of you who have been furloughed, hours have been cut, or if you've lost your job completely and looking for a new career opportunity, or you're looking to supplement your income from home, let me share opportunities that I find out here for you. I don't have all the answers, but I will share with you what I find. That's what I'm here for. Okay, so let's jump right into it. One of the first companies I want to share with you is a company called Humana. Humana hires healthcare industry folks who are looking for opportunities to work from home. So let me just give you a quick just a little bit about Humana. Humana is an insurance company, hires nurses to work from home in a variety of roles, including care managers, telephonic, CCR, and case managers. So if you go here and you put work from home nurse, there's 38 results. Here is a weekend telephonic utilization management nurse. It's a Saturday through Thursday. This position, unfortunately, is a work from home for Virginia or North Carolina. But I want you guys to put this on your list to come back here and see if they have opportunities if you're not in one of these two states. Okay, so they're looking for someone to work Saturday to Tuesday, about 10-hour shifts, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you fall in the line of this, you have the qualifications for this job or skill set for this job. It's a licensed registered nurse in North Carolina, VA, prior clinical experience, excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, ability to work independently under general instructions and with a team. So education, BSN, bachelor's degree, related field, clinical experience, adult medical, surgical, acute care, and critical care, health plan experience, previous Medicare, Medicaid experience, a plus, previous experience in utilization management. This is just one of the opportunities that I found on Humana, and I just wanted to share with you. This link will be below in the description box. I'm just sharing with you other job boards that you can go to and find work from home opportunities. Okay, so the next opportunity is going to be with I think it's CareNet Health. I hope that's the way you pronounce it. They have opportunities for healthcare workers to work from home as well. So I want to just share with you a little bit about CareNet Healthcare Services. CareNet hires registered nurses to service their clients via telephone. Roles can include clinical care advisor, nurse triage, medical decision support, and medical device monitoring services, and others. So let's hit apply and see what we can find. Okay, so they have customer service representative, care coordinator, they have healthcare customer service representative, training team leader, VP, which is a people services. CareNet, we know how healthcare can be better. And let's see. Medical office scheduler evenings. Okay, here we go. HDRN, work from home, new hire class for 6/22. Let's check this one out. This was posted on the 14th, which was Thursday. Let's see. CareNet Health Services seek an RN clinical care advisor to join our team of talented professionals who provide telehealth and virtual care clinic triage assessments, health education, and other services, diverse populations of patients and health plan members. At CareNet, our nurses play an important role in helping healthcare consumers live their healthiest lives, okay? So our nurses are clinical staff support patients across the U.S. We take great pride in our disciplined, evidence-based protocols and individual care approach, okay? So is this you? Bring empathy and passion for evidence-based care to all you do. Multitasking and attention to detail are your superpowers. A typical week in the life of the physician: work independently to make clinical decisions on routine patient care matters at your license level. Okay, so that's important. Provide patient-focused care and guidance on phone or online, including accurately assessing needs, delivering or directing the appropriate level of care, identifying potential health problems, and influencing people to make better health decisions. Communicate with other organization clients as needed and or other team members, verbally and digitally. Monitor your own performance with the dashboard matrix and look for ways to improve. Okay, so what's required? A minimum of 3 years as a registered nurse with recent direct patient care experience, 5 years preferred in a highly acute level, ICU, CC, ER. I'm not a healthcare professional, so bear with me. Must currently reside and have a multi-state unrestricted RN license in these states here listed. You guys can check out the link below to see if you have this here. More important information: full-time positions available. Your schedule will include at least 4 weekend days per month. Differential pay may be earned for certain shifts. Training is typical 2 to 4 weeks, with the first 2 weeks being Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 100% attendance is required. Training is done virtually. So you guys might want to check this out if you fit the bill for this, okay? So I'm jump on over to another company, Anthem. Anthem also has opportunities for social workers or case managers. Here are a few listings of the case manager position and their work from home opportunities. You can go here, and when you search, do case manager work from home, okay, over at Anthem, okay? So I'm going to jump onto the next opportunity, CORVEL. CORVEL has work from home opportunities for healthcare for a variety of healthcare industry positions, okay? So HR business partner, senior claims specialist, and the one that I saw earlier, let's see, let me just put in nurse. Okay, so the telephonic case manager is the one that I saw. So you guys jump over here and check out this opportunity. Senior claims manager. Let's look at the case manager telephonic, okay? Just to give you an idea. Provides medical case management, includes thorough coordination with patient, the physician, or other healthcare providers, the employer, and the referral services, okay? So assist in completing first report and injury of illness form, investigate claim as appropriate, and process complete first report forms per state regulations and customer guidelines. Coordinate independent medical evaluations, provide assessments, planning, implementation, and evaluation of patient progress. So the ability to utilize their medical and nursing knowledge to allow the case manager to discuss the current treatment plan with the physician and discuss the alternative treatment plans, okay? So required to read extensively, required to prepare organized reports within a specified time frame, required to use telephone and extensively. Minimum productivity standard is 95%, requires regular and consistent attendance, complies with all safety rules and regulations during work hours in conjunction with injury and illness prevention. So this case manager, telephonic case manager, link will be below in the description, okay? So we're going to jump over to another board that you can use. It's called FONEMED. They are looking for a nurse counselor remote, okay? So PhoneMed is a registered nurse provider of telephone triage and health nurse advice, okay, to callers across the North America remotely from the comfort of their home office. We We use computerized Schmidt-Thompson triage protocol guidelines to assist in assessing patients' symptoms. In addition to triage calls, we receive questions requesting information on medical conditions, medications, diagnostic tests, and etc. All calls are documented electronically, and all telephone encounters are recorded. Hourly pay, paid time off, 401k with company matching, PhoneMed's company health insurance for employees who work more than 24 hours per week. So all you got to do is work more than 24 hours a week to get some medical insurance, okay? It's a comprehensive training and orientation program with the supportive team of coworkers and managers. So I'll have this job link for this job below in the description box, okay? So United Health is also hiring for telecommuting. So supervisor, provide configuration, senior data analyst, a network education and content manager. These are opportunities in the healthcare field. Medicare consultant, director of network contracting, pharmacy and prescription drug list. So they have a list of opportunities here. I'm going to go over to page 2. And healthcare network contractor, and a contract management expert, and provider relations advocate. So you guys, I'm going to have this link below in the description. I want you guys to put Anthem on your list, okay? So EQ Health Solutions, they're hiring board certified behavioral health analysts. They also have a registered nurse care coordinator here. So the next company is EQ Health Solutions. EQ Health Solutions has a registered nurse care coordinator position available. They're going to coordinate any community resource referrals, coordinate the establishment of medical home. Looks like their direct patients care throughout the healthcare continuum, assess plans, implement, coordinate, monitors, and evaluates an individualized plan of care for the patient that encompasses the medical behavioral health. Okay, so also this position, your description of details will be timely. You need to be timely and effective engagement of potential care coordinator recipients, ability to provide behavior modification and motivational interviewing techniques to elicit positive behavior change. Okay, so you're going to provide courteous and prompt service to all internal and external customers, prioritize and address requests and assignments in professional manner to develop cooperative relationships and to ensure customer confidentiality at all times, performs other needed services as required, qualifications, license, and certifications. So this link, this is with EQ Health Solutions, and this link will be in the description box below. So make sure you tell a friend, make sure you share this video on any of your social media platforms. You guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.